What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly upgrade your Truecaller app ID. So if you want to install that, you can easily find it on the Play Store, and all you have to do really guys is search for the Truecaller app and you'll find it and you can install it. Now once you install it, you need to go through the process to set it up. You'll just need to go ahead and even enter your Google account, for example, to sign in. You need to select it as a default app, and once you set that on your phone, set it up as default, then you'll be able to use it as your default app. But you will be restricted with some of those features, and so you may need to upgrade to get the full features of the Truecaller app. So to do that, you want to open up the app, then on the lower right hand side go to Premium, and here you'll find the maximum protection, right? So here you can use this one. It's basically, in my case, about $59 59 Czech crown per month. That is roughly a little over $2 USD, and so I can go ahead and use this if I want to upgrade it right away, right? Keep in mind that you also get 3-day free trial to check it out, so you can try it, and you can just basically choose if you want the maximum protection or you want to go for the premium as well. This is another one that you actually get. You see what you get there: incognito mode, contact request, who search for me, who view my profile, advanced spam blocking, and even no ads, right? So you can see there's also the family one as well. You can see how much they cost. So there's a bunch of different options that you can choose from, and all you have to do is just go ahead and choose to select the one that you want and basically select that plan. But that's pretty much it, guys.